It's cool. Anyway, this is gonna be actually video number part 2. So this is where we are so far with this inner rocker. Set it up with some self taps just to get it in place. So where I know where I need to put my drill my holes for my spot wells. It's the bottom side of that whole situation. And what's actually going to end up happening is, let's see if I can spin around for you guys. I'm going to end up cutting this fresh metal, this metal. Once I cut this old metal out, we'll cut that fresh metal to match up, because on this secondary rocker that's on the other side of this one, it has a hump in it, which we don't need to negotiate. So like I said, we'll cut this old rusty shit out here, nice little angle down to about right there, and take and tack this new metal to where we cut that old shit from. It'll be set up just like it was from the factory, with the space in between this inner rocker and this number 2 inner rocker. So we coming along. I'm just kind of setting everything up, man, like I said, to get ready for spot welds. Am I gonna start spot welding today? I don't know. It's about 5 o'clock now. I may, just to get it set in place, but I still gotta grind all of this old metal bare before I start doing spot welds. Then take and grind this upper edge down. I'm about to cut this outer rocker to length, put it in place, and hit it with a couple of sheet metal screws to hold it in place, so I can do my drill spots for my spot welds. And like you see, it'll wrap from the top down, just like this factory setup does. Come all the way down and lay across the bottom side of this first inner and the second inner. So we're getting there, man. It's a process, but you know, you do what you do. Make this shit happen. Not a big deal. So we'll end this video and do a fresh one for tomorrow. Till then, man. Peace.